Let's read it. Which of the following compounds is brown in color? Students, in this question, we are given with 4 compounds and we have to identify that which one is brown in color. Let's start with option A, Fe2O3.XH2O. Student, this is brown in color. This is brown colored compound known as rust. ZnOH whole twice. Student, this is white in color. Moving to next, CuNH3 whole 4 SO4. Student, this is a blue colored complex. Moving to last, AgNH3 whole twice Cl. Student, this is white in color. That means the correct answer for this question is option A. Moving to the next question, students. Reaction between acetaldehyde and methyl magnesium chloride followed by hydrolysis will give option A, secondary alcohol, option B, tertiary alcohol, option C, primary alcohol, or option D, unsymmetrical ether. Student, let's start this reaction. We are given with acetaldehyde and methyl magnesium chloride. So let's start. First of all, acetaldehyde is CH3 C double bond OH and methyl magnesium chloride is CH3 MgCl. Now student, we know that this carbonyl carbon has a partial positive charge and here there is a partial negative charge. This methyl anion will attack on this carbonyl carbon and this pi bond will shift towards oxygen. As a result, the compounds so formed will be CH3C O minus, CH3H, and here will be MgCl with a positive sign. Now student, this on hydrolysis, that means on reaction with H2OH plus, the product we get is an alcohol. This is a secondary alcohol. That means the correct answer is option number A. Moving to next. The calcium concentration in plasma is regulated at about, the options are 50 milligram per liter, the next option is 20 milligram per liter, next is 100 milligram per liter, and the last option is 175 milligram per liter. Students, for this question we need to know that the calcium concentration in plasma is regulated at about 100 milligram per liter. It is maintained by 2 hormones, one is calcitonin and another is parathyroid hormone. That means the correct answer is option number C. Moving to next question. The number of protons, neutrons and electrons in uranium with atomic number 92 and mass number 235 respectively are. Students, here we are given with an element that is uranium. Its atomic number is 92, its mass number is 235. We have to calculate number of electrons, protons and neutrons. So first of all, we will be calculating number of protons. Since we know that number of protons is equals to atomic number, which is equals to 92. Since this is a case of neutral atom, that means number of electrons will be equal to number of protons. Number of electrons is equals to 92. Now we have to calculate number of neutrons. So number of neutrons is equals to 235, that is mass number minus atomic number, that is number of protons, which is equals to 92, which is ultimately equals to 143. That means the correct answer for this question is option number B. Moving to next question, students. Which of the following molecules has zero dipole moment? And the options are NH3, BF3, H2O and SO2. Students, for this question we have to draw the structures of the given molecules and then we'll be able to figure out that which molecule has zero dipole moment. Let's start with NH3. So in case of NH3 there is one lone pair and 3 bond pairs. The bond dipole are towards nitrogen. So it is very clear that the dipole moment is not equals to 0. Moving to next, which is BF3. Boron has 3 bond pairs. Since the bond dipoles are towards more electronegative element, which is fluorine, and here in the structure we can clearly see that all the bond dipoles cancel out each other. As a result, the overall dipole moment is equals to 0. Moving to next, which is H2O. So here oxygen has 2 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs. The bond dipoles are towards oxygen. Again, the dipole moment is not equals to 0. Last we have SO2. Here sulfur has 2 bond pairs and 1 lone pair. The electronegativity of oxygen is more since the bond dipoles are towards oxygen. Here also we can say that the dipole moment is not equals to 0. That means the only molecule among the given options which has zero dipole moment is BF3. So the correct answer is option number 2. Moving to next question.